I go for it.
Good morning, Delataire family. We are really excited this morning because we just received from Wet Plants our package of Azolla. Um, so, one of the things that we have been trying to do on the farm is reduce costs and generate as much of the feed for our livestock as possible on farm. And Azolla is something that is used around the world to feed livestock. Now, it's not a 100% feed Azolla. It is something that supplements Azolla, your regular feed. And generally speaking, it's done at a 20 to 25% ratio, but there are folks that will do it at even 50% replacement. So, what's so exciting about Azolla? Well, Azolla is a fern. It's called fairy moss. It's really tiny. It's a living plant that we can grow using our pig manure as fertilizer, and we can grow this plant, and it ends up having 25 to 35% protein because it fixes its own nitrogen. Now, that's not totally true, but it does have a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that does the nitrogen fixation. And so it basically, between the two of them, fixes its own nitrogen. Hence, it creates more protein, which makes it a great replacement for some of the feed. So, as you know, if you've been following the channel, we are Mason breeders. So, Mason is a type of pig that is that came from China. And so we're a part of the American Mason Breeders Association. We are conserving those pigs, and our goal is to bring you nutrient dense meat that is absolutely good for you. So not only are we pasturing our pigs, but we're looking at providing the healthiest diet that we can to them in a cost effective way. Hence, Azolla. So, just got the package. I am going to open it. We got this no promo, but from Wet Plants. We're in Louisiana, so they're a U.S. company, and the variety that we purchased is Azolla caroliniana, and that is native to Louisiana. And one of the things that um, people need to know is it can become an invasive species in ponds and waterways, that are connected. So you don't want to throw Azolla into large lakes or um, streams where it could access public waterways. However, you can maintain it in a pond and it grows. It usually doubles its weight in 2 to 3 days. And we can go from one small amount of Azolla to pounds and pounds of Azolla in a matter of 4 weeks. So we're really excited about this. This is our first trial of Azolla, and we're testing it this year, and with the goal of building Azolla ponds for production next year. So Without further ado,
So let's see what it looks like.
let's see what our Azolla looks like. I need to read instructions, folks. I don't know. Hold on. We ordered 1 pound. Ha ha ha. This is it. Azolla caroliniana. Yep. That's the one that's right for us. But you really have to look because Azolla grows everywhere in the world. Um, the thing is, you have to, I think these are just cold packs that were put in there to keep it alive. And
Yeah.
we were supposed to have this delivered yesterday. FedEx didn't show up until this morning.
Hold on. Before,
So,
no, keep talking.
so we're not sure. And this is, we ordered 1 pound. So this is a 1 pound packet. And
Yeah, that's what it is.
yeah,
It was just
some
a cold pack.
packs. Yeah, these are just cold packs packed in newspaper to keep it cool and nice while it gets here because it is a fern. It is a fern, but it does grow in sunshine. It can either be in a shaded area or in a really sunny area. Well, and can you open that knot? Or maybe we just cut off the top.
I think what you do is just cut a opening there.
We're
so you
using
can,
it all, but
oh,
yeah.
were we going to use it all right here?
No, we're using half here and half.
Okay.
All right,
Okay.
there we go. Enough to get my hand in. So, what did I do to prepare for my Azolla?